left your name on the fridge by the laundry room magnet. Your blue work shirt still hangs on the hook by the back door. I set 2 plates on the table like you'd walk in and say hey, but the beans got cold and the clock just kept going. I still hear your boots on the porch boards at night, and my heart does that stupid thing when I think you might. I miss you like rain in July. I miss you like a lost dog home. I keep your light on in my mind, but you don't come back around. I miss you like rain in July. You were my best goodbye. I love you still from this side of town. Your truck never came back down this gravel road. The mailbox gets lonely with your old letters inside. Mama asked if I'm over it. I just smiled and looked down till the screen door slammed, and I knew it was just wind again. I still catch myself reaching for your hand, like the whole wide world could change if I asked. I miss you like rain in July. I miss you like a lost dog home. I keep your light on in my mind, but you don't come back around. I miss you like rain in July. You were my best goodbye. I love you still from this side of town. If you ever call tonight, I'll answer on the first ring. Act like I ain't been talking to your memory. But if you don't, I'll keep this ache beneath the screen door and beside your empty place. I miss you like rain in July. I miss you like a lost dog home. I keep your light on in my mind, but you don't come back around. I miss you like rain in July. You were my best goodbye. I love you still from this side of town.